Hello guys, today is the new expiry week and this week is the monthly expiry. So we are looking to enter the Call Condor of 15,400, 15,500, 16,000 and 16,100. I am not going to go through the OA analysis and the premium rules and other stuff. For everything we have already got the strategy videos. So let's go and place the order. So for the order, you can see I have put the buy here, and for due to Zerodha restrictions, I have to do the sell first, then buy again. Then at the last, I am going to sell this. The order sequence is different, but this is the best order where you can get the lesser margin with full margin benefits. So 2,13,500. Let's see. Yeah, 2,11,000 means not much. The market has come down a bit. So 2,11,000. So that's okay. Let us go with the order. Let's execute. 16,100 is failed. You see, this is always the case. See the orders, only 3 orders executed. So 16,100 I have to do it manually. 16,100 I do it manually. 16,100 CE is a buy. So 300 quantity at market. Let's buy. Done. So let's update 944, 943, 944. That's okay. We'll put it as 945 in our Excel. So 13,400, 312.5, 230.1, 312.5. 230.1. We paid more here, then 17.15 and 8.94. 8.94. Yep, this is what we have got. We have paid a bit more, about 4 points more. Does not matter. That's okay. 7,743. That's okay. And we have got above 16k and below 15,500. This is okay. Risk reward is okay. This is 11,000. I'll say 500. That's okay. Looking at about 3.6% on the capital blocked. So this is a normal Call Condor. We are having a 500 point range, but we are taking somewhere at the lower end of it. Means now you can see where the market is. It came down a bit. So yep, 72. The market is at about 72, 672. So we have taken 500. 672 is about 170 points away. The upper strike is very far. So it is 16k. We would have taken a bit near, but 16k is where the huge OA buildup is there. Okay. 15,900 also we would have taken, but let us make it a bit conservative because last week we had a lot of issues in adjusting. There was a reduction in profit and all this stuff. So let us target the money of 7,743 rupees. That is on the capital blocked of 2,11,500. So 3.6% for 5 days. Let's target this. If we are getting somewhere about 80% of this, means consider that we are getting somewhere about 6,500, we can simply go and close this Call Condor. 6,500 is also a very good profit for 5 days. This is a monthly expiry. It tends to be very volatile towards the end. So let us try to take the profit at 80% of the max profit. Let's see how much is 80% of this. So 7743 multiplied by 0.8. So it's about 6,200 rupees. Means if we get 6,200 rupees, just simply exit the Call Condor, take the profit and run away. That's it. As simple as that. Let us see. The Call Condor is open. Let's go to our positions. Running at minor loss, but that's okay. That is always the case. Whenever the Call Condor is open, it always runs in a minor loss because the market has gone down further. That is why it is going down. So that is why the loss is coming. But does not matter. It will come into profit because if our requirement is, let us put our Call Condor here. 15,500, 16,000 and 16,100. So if the call condor stays between the spot stays between 15,500 and 16,000, a 500 point range, we should be well off. We don't have to worry too much about the movements what market is making. If it goes further down, it breaches 15,500. Yes, we will be ready with our adjustments, which we will do. So right now, no need to worry. Let's see means how the positions pan out. These are the orders. I'll be taking a screenshot of these and posting it into our group. Done. We will continue monitoring this position. I'll be recording end of day video on every day of the market. I'll be recording end of day video. Let us see means how it goes. Thank you very much.
Hello guys, welcome to the end of the day update of day 1 of our Call Condor. So today morning we had initiated a position in Nifty options, the Call Condor. So we had the initial position as 15,400, 15,500, 16,000 and 16,100. But unfortunately, the moment we took the position, within like 10 minutes, the market tanked. So from Nifty spot level, when we took the positions, it was somewhere around 15,679. That time it was the spot 15,679. Today you see it has closed at the same level, but it has gone down up to 15,450. It has gone to 15,450, which is below our lower sell strike. So as per the standard call condor adjustments, what we have done, we have moved the bear call spread of 16,000 and 16,100 to 200 points closer to the spot, because our entry was 15,679. The market went down to 15,450. It's about 200 points down move. So we moved our bear call spread to 200 points closer to the spot. Right now the markets have recovered in the afternoon session. Last 15 minutes there was a huge buying was there. Means that basically indicates that Monday there might be a gap up. Like that, there is a theory is that Monday there might be a gap up. But we don't know means what is going to happen. But as per the standard call condor adjustments, we have done the adjustments. These positions 15,800 and 15,900, these positions were taken when the market was at 15,470. So the premiums are very low. Since the market has recovered, the premiums have already shot up. So we are having a very like handsome loss of about 4.5k here. But here we have already gained about 2.2k we have gained here. So 4.5 minus 2.2. So that is what you are getting it as a loss. We have taken ICICI Bank covered call, which will be coming next. So I am holding 1,375 shares of ICICI Bank in my demat. So what I am doing, I am selling every month. I am selling a higher strike call and collecting a premium. This is basically called rental income. So the stock appreciates, but it should not cross these levels. If the stock expires anywhere below this, the whole premium is ours. So this strategy I will be explaining it separately. Right now on the call condor, we are running at a minor loss. The thing is, here we have about 2,400 something rupees loss here, but we have already booked a profit here. Whenever we do the adjustment, we book profit. So we have booked about 800 rupees here. So the difference is like 2,400 minus 800. You can see here it's how much we have got already. I updated everything. So 1,440, 1,450 we are in negative. This is day 1 of call condor. Let's see means how this week pans out. So now our maximum loss will come down a bit. The maximum profit will go up a bit because we have done the adjustment. I'll put the obstra calculations. Let us do it now itself. Let us do the obstra calculations. Let's get started. Nifty options, we took 15,400. We hit a buy, 4 lots. Let's see the premiums. So 312.5, 230.1. So 312.5, So add the position. So 15,500. We sold 4 lots, 230.1. So add it. Then we took 16,000. We sold. Let's see the premium 17.15, 8.14. So we did 17.15, sold. Then 16,100 means you bought 1.14. So this was our initial Call Condor position. So if we would have left the Call Condor as it is, we would have got about 1,500 rupees profit, but that is not to be, because in the rear view mirror, everything looks fine, but when the market tanked 200, 250 points and we breached our sell strike, we do not know where the market will go. So we had to take corrective action, which we have done, but that's perfectly all right. So here, if you see, the maximum expected profit is about 7,900. I don't know why it is showing. Yeah, you see it has become 1.4. This is 9.4. That's why. 0.94. Yeah, now it will match. So you can see our probability of profit is about 64-65%. That is okay. So maximum profit is 7,743. In the Excel file, you will see the same value will be there. The calculations are same. Okay. And our maximum loss is 22,257. You can see the same thing will be there. Okay. And our risk reward ratio is 1:0.35, means we are risking 3 rupees to make 1 rupees. So like how we did our conservative Condor couple of weeks back, that is about the similar setup. Our break evens are quite good. You can see 15,475. 15,500 is a very good support. So 15,475 is our lower break even. And 16,000 is a very good resistance. So 16,025, it's 25 points above that. So it is a very good resistance level. So the margin block right now it is showing about 2 lakhs, but when I took the positions, the margin requirements were higher because the market was higher. So the margin requirements were higher. So our margin block was about 2,11,500. Okay. So when the market went down, we did the adjustment. What we did first, we closed these bear call spread. So at what price we closed? The prices are here, 13.64 and 8.2. Let's update this. So 13.64 and 8.2. So 8.2 can be modified. So we exited this. Now it will just become a bull call spread. Means bull call spread means the view is bullish. So if we don't take any positions and if the market stays above 15,480, we will be making our maximum profit of 6,000 rupees, and our maximum loss is, the spread is 100 points, so the maximum loss is about 24k. But we have moved this spread further close to the spot. So let us update that. So we did 15,800, we went and sold. Let's see the premiums. We went and sold 39.5 and 23.5. So we went and sold 39.5. See the premium has spiked up 39.5. Let's add this. And 15,900, we went and bought 23.5. So now we have come to a Call Condor. You see it is showing a loss. Okay. So now we have come to the Call Condor. Before, what was here? We were having 7,743. And our maximum loss was about 22,257. Since we have made the adjustment, the profit has gone up and the loss has come down. And our probability also comes down because we are moving closer to the spot. Okay. That is why the probability is about 47%. The risk reward has increased. Before it was 1:0.35. Now it is 1:0.57. This is the ideal, this is the ideal spot for Call Condor. The maximum risk reward ratio needs to be somewhere around 0.5 to 0.6. That is what I explained in the strategy video also. And we have done well here. You can see the total P&L is showing about 3,000. Okay, we have not lost 3,000. Means there is some error. We have not lost. We have lost about 1,400. That is what is shown in the this one. We have lost about 1,448. This is because we booked profit here and we have taken additional credit. So that additional credit is not being shown here. Okay, that went up, so that is okay because that everything put together it comes here. So what is shown as a P&L here is something, there is a mistake here, but does not matter. So, but right now the Condor position is like this. Let us see our break evens. Our break evens have naturally come down. So, because we moved close to the spot, so we have our new break even as 15,836 on the upper side and 15,464 on the lower side. Well, 15,464 is still okay, but this 15,836 is somewhere troubling us because right now the spot is at 15,683. So it's about 120 points only, and we have got 4 days left. So the Nifty can go up. The price action during the last 10-15 minutes of today's close suggests that there might be a good amount of gap up on Monday. We don't know what will happen over the weekend. Any news is coming, we don't know. But right now, it is like a bit risky to have this position because the market has fully recovered. It just closed where we closed yesterday. From yesterday to today, there is not much change. It is still the same. So completely recovered. So let us see means how it pans out during the course of the week. I will keep you updated for the day 2, 3, 4 and the expiry day. Let us do this together again. We'll see profit or loss. It does not matter. This is something means we do every week. If we get a loss, we will keep the loss to the minimum, and if we get a profit, we will try to make the profit to the maximum. Whenever we do adjustments, we will be booking a good amount of profit, and our maximum profit goes up and the maximum loss comes down. So right now what we do, we keep our maximum profit as our closing point. Like we say, our maximum profit expectation is 10,900. You say 11,000 rupees is our maximum profit. Whenever like we are getting a maximum loss of 11,000, we simply exit the counter. Means after the adjustments, means not like simply exit it after doing the adjustments. Like till now, what adjustments are still left for us? You can see right now the Condor what we have 15,400, 500, 800 and 900. So we can still move these 100 points down. Consider that 15,800 to 15,700, 15,700 to 15,600, 15,600 to 15,500. This can be done, or 500 to 600, 700, 800 can be done till it becomes a call butterfly. We can do the adjustments after the call butterfly. Okay, if we have enough margin money, we can go and do a out of the money call butterfly again in these ranges, like 50-point ranges. We can do out of the money call butterfly and increase the range either up or down. Not a problem. It's wherever the market is there, that place at the money we will go and sell 2 calls. 50 points we will keep hedges. Just ensure that strikes does not overlap with the current strikes what we have. That's all. If it comes on the lower side or it comes on the upper side, no problem. We can still have those call butterflies. Those call butterflies will basically extend your range. Means by about 60 to 70 points, it extends the range on the troubled side. Means that can be done. So that is some adjustments which our group owner Ravi had suggested me. That comes from option combination strategies. There is a course there. So that comes straight from there. That is a good suggestion and good adjustment, but will require a good amount of margin needs to do that. Let's see means how the week goes, and I'll catch up with you later.
Hello guys, welcome to the day 2 end of the day update for the Call Condor. Today is 21st of June. So I am giving you the end of the day update. We have not done any adjustments to the Call Condor. Our strikes are 15,400, 15,500, 15,800 and 15,900. The Call Condor is running at a minor loss. Let's see means how the market opens tomorrow. Right now, this is our call condor. The highlighted one is our call condor. And currently the call condor is at the loss of 2.2k. That's all right, means our max loss here is 22k. So and our max profit is about 7,750. So this loss is okay, means we are still within the range. Let us see means how it goes. We have not got any breach today. Let's see. Today the Nifty spot closed at 15,746. So we are somewhere close to this 15,800 levels. If tomorrow there is a gap up or gap down, whatever happens, if it is a gap down, not a big deal, because we are still 250 points away from this, but we are just about 55 points away from the 15,800, our upper sell strike. So if the market opens gap up, then we might choose to move 15,400, 500 to 15,600, 15,700. About 200 points I am trying to move, because I would like to keep a cushion of about 100 points, because we are just at the day 2 of the expiry. So we still have 3 days to go. So I need to have some cushion to adjust if sometimes the market reverses or it moves violently. I need to have about 100 points cushion to adjust the call condor further. Let's see means how we are going to manage this condor. Thank you for being with me. I'll update you through the complete expiry of the call condor, or whenever like we choose to exit the positions, either in a good profit or in a loss. Let's see means how it goes. Hello guys, welcome to the day 3 update of the call condor. The day 2 update I had just given a screenshot because I could not record it. I was in the office, so I could not record it. So today is the day 3 update. You can see that we have done adjustment because the Nifty has gapped up today. It has gone up over 15,800. So we have a sell at 15,800. It went up to 15,880. Let us see means where we are at. You can see it has gone as high as 15,895, almost breaching our upper buy strike also. So when the Nifty was at 15,860, that time we have made the adjustments. So the adjustment was 15,400, 500 bull call spread. We closed and we moved 200 points closer to the spot. Why 200 points? The Nifty has moved 300 points, means from our entry level. But we have moved only 200 points because for expiry there are 2 more days left, and I want to have a 100-point cushion. When tomorrow if any of this strike breaches, I want to make this as a call butterfly. So that is where our adjustment ends. It has been a roller coaster ride this week. You can see that we adjusted the first day itself. The moment we took the positions, the market crashed. So we had position 16,000, 16,100. That was our first position. Then from there, we moved down to 15,800, 900. We were keeping that position. The market went down and we were having 14,400, 14,500, 15,800, 15,900. So we had 200 points strike difference was there. But today, the market has gone up like anything. It went and almost breached our upper buy strike also. So what we did, we moved the untested side. Which is the untested side? The bull call spread 15,400, 500. So we moved 200 points closer to the spot and we have taken a position of 15,600 and 15,700. And what happened? The market, after it went up so much in the afternoon session, it started coming down and it has come down to a level of 15,772. So 15,772 is somewhere between our two sell strikes. If the market is moving within this range, which I don't think, if it is moving within this range, then we will be making a very, very good profit. Almost 12k of profit we will make. I feel the market will move either down or it will move up. Moving down tomorrow, there is a high possibility of moving down because the last 15-20 minutes movement was completely down. So tomorrow probably it might move down. We don't know what will happen. So we might move 15,800, 900 to 15,700, 800 and make it as a call butterfly. Or if the market goes up, means market going up, we have only how many points? 28-point cushion for the market to go up, because again it will go and hit 15,800 and again we may have to move this. Okay, so if we move that, we will be moving 15,700, 15,800. Again it will become a call butterfly. So that is where the adjustment will end. Then after that, if still the market continues to go up, then what we will do, we will simply close the call condor with whatever profit or loss at that time available. We will simply take out and then close. So that's the update today. Right now the call condor is, let us see where it is. We'll see the profit and loss for the call condor. So yesterday close, it was about minus 2,229. That was the yesterday's close. So today I think we might have about 3.5k in negative. We will be in 3.5k negative. You know what is our maximum loss? Our maximum loss is 22k. Our maximum profit is 7.7k. But now it is not 7.7k. Now since we have booked 2 times, we have booked profit. We have booked about 4,800 rupees profit. So that 4,800 rupees will minus here and it will plus here. So 22,800 minus 4,800. So there you will get somewhere about 17,000 plus. So that is what is going to be our maximum loss. And 7,743 plus this amount. So that will be somewhere about 12,000 rupees. So 12,000 plus will be our profit. As simple as that. So this is our maximum loss, what we will get. 17,409. This is going to be our maximum loss. Our maximum profit is going to be about 12,200, 300 something. Let us see means how it goes. Right now it is at minus 3.5k. That is what I can say. I have seen it in Opstra. If I do that again, it is going to be lengthy. So I have seen that. So it is about 3.5, 3.6k we are at the loss. So, but does not matter. This is a learning experience for us, whether we close it in profit or loss. You can see means how we have closed. So we don't mind losing 5,000-6,000 rupees in this week. We have closed heavily in profit. So right now we are somewhere at about 75-76k of profit we are at. So on a capital of 2 lakhs, and that is within 6 months. We started in December and we are at June end, about 7 months. Before, like you can see, we are doing 1 lot, 2 lots like that. The 4 lot one consistently we started sometime in March. Before that it was loss because we were trying to do a permutation and combination of this. You can see from February to the end we were about like 5k profit, that's all. But from March, once we fix our range and the premium rules, everything, once I fix it, now you can see when I come down, leave this week, come down, we are at 42k profit. So this is what means now we are trying to do. We are trying to make consistent. Once in a while we will get a loss. This loss at all, it's a big mistake. We should not have got this loss. So then we started gaining the money. Some week like we lost about 10k, but there the max loss was 20k. So we lost 10k there. So that is 50%, or basically 1:1. The maximum profit was 9,600 rupees. We lost a little higher. Okay. So now this figure is not the actual one. Means this is basically after all the adjustment, it has taken the calculation of the debit spread also. Okay. The debit spread is here. So if you see the debit, we have paid 27,000 debit. That is what it is showing. So if we remove that, we have actually, what we have done, we have booked a profit of 4,800 rupees, and we have booked a profit here also. We have booked a profit of, yeah, this is the 4,000, another 4,800 we have booked. Okay. So 4,800 is going to be our profit right now, and the actual profit may vary because once we close these 4 positions, the actual profit will come in. Positive or negative does not matter. This is a learning experience, means how we moved the strikes initially, like we moved,
the upper strike, then we moved the lower strike. So now we are going to make this as a call butterfly. Probably tomorrow we will be making this as a call butterfly. Let us see means how it moves. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. Let us see how it moves, and I'll post the updates, and I'll see you tomorrow then. Bye. Hello guys. Just wanted to show the current status of the Call Condor. This is end of day 3. So end of day 3, today is Tuesday. So the market is closed, and I have already simulated all the options in Obstra. So what we have done, what we have adjusted, what we closed, everything is here. So right now our sell strikes are just 100 points away. So we have sold here and we have sold here. So we have got 15,700 and 15,800. The market is right now at 15,772. We will be making one more adjustment tomorrow probably. If the market comes down or it opens flat, probably we may not do any adjustment. This position currently in 2,889, 2,900 rupees of loss. This is about 1.5% of our margin blocked. Our margin blocked is how much? It's about, right now it is 1,94,000, but when we opened the position it was about 2,11,500 rupees. This was our initial margin. Right now our loss is about 2,900 rupees. Hopefully tomorrow we will cut this position. If the loss is increasing, we will cut the position, or if we are getting a profit, we might close with the minimum profit, but we will see means how the market opens. I'll be moving. If the market gaps up, I'll be moving. As I explained, I'll be moving the bull call spread. If the market gaps down, I'll be moving the bear call spread. As simple as that. So right now the position max profit is 12,600 rupees. That is going to be our max profit. If we lose, we will be losing 17,500 rupees. We will not go there. We will be closing it much before that. We will try to capture as much as profit as possible here. Earlier, our initial position, what was our profit and loss? Initially, our risk reward ratio was 0.35 only, and our maximum profit was 7743. Maximum loss was 22257. After all the adjustments done, you can see right now where we are. We are at maximum profit of 12,600, maximum loss of 17,500, and the risk reward ratio of 1:0.72, means our risk reward ratio has doubled from the initial position. Right now our lower break even means if it closes at this level or above this level, we will be making profit. Upper break even is 15,841. So if it closes below this, we will be making some money. Okay, so that is where the range is, means our range is right now it is 772. So we have 659 and 841, means it is almost somewhere in the middle of it, or little bit on the higher side. But if the market tomorrow is hovering around this range, we will be making some money on this. The P&L, now the loss will turn into profit. Let us see means how it goes, and I will keep you updated. Hello guys, welcome to the day 4 end of the day update for the Call Condor positions. So right now we have a Call Condor strikes of 15,600, 700, 800 and 900. Today the market has closed just under 15,700. So we are almost, we have already breached 15,700, but this seems to be a abrasive move, knee-jerk reaction. Reliance has moved quite a bit today. Means it was like 1% up, then now it has come 1% down. This has pulled down the Nifty because tomorrow is Reliance AGM. That's why means there is a knee-jerk reaction is there. So let us see, means I have not done any adjustments today because almost at the fag end of the day the 15,700 got breached, and it is just right little under 15,700. That's okay. Tomorrow morning we will see how the market opens, and we can shift, because if it is opening a gap down, what we can do, we can shift this 15,800, 15,900, we can shift it back to 15,700, 800 and make it as a call butterfly. So right now the Condor has recovered most of the losses. You remember we booked 4.8k of profit, and the ICICI covered call is about like 4k, so it is about 800 rupees net profit is there on the Call Condor booked position. About 1000 rupees we booked, so right now the total loss is 2210, so it is about 1200 rupees we are in loss in the Call Condor. Our max profit is 12k here, means if it closes anywhere between 15700 and 15800, so we have quite a lot to recover here. So let's see, means tomorrow, means if the market is going to be range bound, then we might be seeing a good profit in the Call Condor, and we will decide to book the profits and come out, or if the loss is going beyond like 5k or something like that, we can book loss and come out. That's all right. We have kept this Call Condor till the expiry. We have done so many adjustments. First, we moved the bear call spread. We moved because initially the lower strike got breached. Then we moved the bull call spread. Then again today the lower strike is again getting breached. Almost like, yeah, the averages have already come 686. So we are like 687. Consider we are about 13 points under 15700. The last half an hour the market has gone down like anything, but that's okay. This is like as I said, this might be a knee-jerk reaction. Let us see tomorrow how it opens. I'll keep you updated. Thank you very much. Hello friends, welcome back to the end of the day update of day 4 of the Call Condor. So we have got the Obstra simulation here, and today the market, the end of the day 4, today is 23rd of June, tomorrow is the expiry. So end of the day the markets has closed, and this is the Call Condor with all the adjustment positions in. We have got 4 positions open, like 15, 600, 700, 800, 900. These are the 4 positions open now. As we seen in earlier, our Call Condor has recovered almost most of the losses, and we have got 1250 rupees only it is running at the loss, and our break evens are 15659 at the lower end and 15841 at the higher end. So right now the market is at 15686. Our range is very narrow. We are trying to keep the Call Condor till tomorrow. Let's see, means tomorrow 2 o'clock there is Reliance AGM is there, so the volatility will be a little higher. Let's see, means after 2 p.m. the market can shoot up or it can crack. Only it is based on the Reliance, because Reliance is the topmost index heavyweight. When Reliance moves, the market also moves along with it. It takes most of the stocks also along with it. So I don't want to take much chance. I'll keep the Call Condor open till 2 p.m. tomorrow. When the AGM starts, probably like whatever is there on the table, we will simply close and come out. Even before that, means if right now our loss is around 1200, if I am getting a loss of about 5k or something like that, just to cut loss, I can do adjustments and keep it for some time. Then I think I can close it. So right now our max profit standing at 12,591. This is the maximum profit we will get if the market closes between 15700 and 15800 tomorrow by expiry. Our maximum loss is 17,400. So that is like when the market goes and closes above 15900 or below 15600. So that is still there, means the 15600 can very much achieve. For 5,900, okay, there is a lot of things, but tomorrow Reliance AGM is one of the biggest trigger. Let us see which one breaches, but by that time we should be out of the market. Let's see, means how it goes. So right now our maximum RR is 1:0.72. This has improved from 1:0.35, means when we initially took the Condor. The max profit has also increased. The max loss has reduced. Our probability has greatly reduced because we are at ATM when our sell strikes are pretty close. What are our sell strikes? Our sell strikes are 15,800 and 15,700. Only 100 points left. So the probability will be very poor, but still all right. We have got only one more day to go. Let's see, means how it goes. I'll keep you posted tomorrow. Thank you very much. Hello guys, welcome to the expiry day intraday update on the Call Condor. Right now you can see the Nifty is at 15,731.32. So the Call Condor has turned into profit. Till yesterday it was in the loss. So today the Call Condor has turned into profit. We have already booked 4,800 rupees. So if you remove this amount, so the Call Condor is in the minor profit, it has turned profit. If the Nifty goes around the same range for another 1 hour, the profits will increase to somewhere around 5,000 rupees. That time I am planning to close it. I will close the Call Condor sometime before the Reliance AGM, which is at 2 o'clock, because during the Reliance AGM means the market will move violently and our range is very small. Our range is 15,700 and 15,800. It is now somewhere in the middle of it. So let us wait for 1 or 2 hours. Then by 1 o'clock, 1:30, whatever is there on the table, we should be able to close the Call Condor in profit. If before that, if the market comes down or goes up to 17,800 or it comes down to 15,700 or goes up to 15,800, we might close the Call Condor prematurely, and whatever is available on the table that time, probably like about 1,000 rupees of profit or 1,000 rupees of loss, we will close and come out. I am not planning to do any adjustment today. Whatever adjustment we do, it will reduce the profit and loss little bit only, so it's not too much worth of doing that one. Still adjustments are still possible. Basically what we can do, we can close 15,800 and we can move it to 15,850. Sell strike we are moving outside, and the lower sell strike 15,700 we can move it to 15,650. That is also possible. That will reduce the profit a little bit, but it will reduce the loss also a little bit. Probably like the loss would be somewhere around 5,000 rupees, not more than that. That also is possible. Now you can see the Call Condor starts gaining, means it is still in the same range. Now the Call Condor will start gaining because that is due to the theta decay which is happening during the expiry day. That theta decay will be very very high during the expiry day. Even like if it moves 10 points up or down, the P&L will change drastically. So we need to monitor this position. Let us see means how it goes. I will keep you updated at the closure and end of the day update. Thank you. Looking to close the Call Condor for this week. So now the Call Condor is in a decent profit. Today since 2 o'clock there is a Reliance AGM. Better to close the Call Condor. We will be closing in good profit. Let's see, means about like 4,500 to 5,000 rupees profit we should be closing. Let's close this. I have selected the Call Condor 15,600, 700. 800 and 900. So now the whole position is running at some profit, but most of it is from the ICICI Bank and a few expiry trades. So we'll be closing somewhere around 4,500 to 5,000 rupees. Let's do it. Done. So I'll update the Call Condor sheet and then I'll see you in the next update. Thank you very much. Hello guys, welcome to the end of the day update for the expiry week of Nifty June month expiry. Today is 24th of June, so today is the monthly expiry as well as the Reliance AGM. Means both the swords were hanging above our heads. So what we have done, as I explained earlier, we have closed our Call Condor. So let's see our exit prices. Our exit prices were 15,600 is 171.79, 15,700 is about 82, 15,800 we exited at 1870, it has expired worthless. 15,900 we exited at 2.15, it also expired worthless because the market closed below 15,800 today. But today we had two events. One is the expiry, the second one is the Reliance AGM. So we don't know how the market will move. If you have seen the video, the market was moving up like 20 points. Like in every 5 seconds, 4 seconds, it was moving at some point. So it was too volatile considering that we had two events. If it is only expiry, we would have held this position till the end. So we don't even had to worry about it. We would have held this position till the end. But it was not to be, because we had the Reliance AGM going on, so we don't want to take any risk. We have come out of this Call Condor at a good profit. Let us see what profit we made. This is our Call Condor. So I had documented everything here. When we initiated the position, our maximum profit was 7,743 and our maximum loss was 22,257. So what we have done, This is the entire week's closing prices every day and where the Nifty spot was closed at every day. The last one is when I closed it. Okay. So the Call Condor was in loss for the entire week. Only at the fag end, the day of expiry, it turned into profit. So it was very tough, means to keep the Call Condor going when it was showing loss. If you see the third day, we had about 50% of our maximum profit as loss. Okay. When it comes to 100% of maximum profit, we would have closed because we used to keep the risk reward ratio 1:1 on real. On paper, it will be very, very low. On paper, if you see 1:0.35. So if we would have got a loss of 7,743, we would have simply closed the trade and come out. Just this is a risk mitigation procedure. We don't want to end up losing a lot of money because capital protection is more important. So we have to survive for the next week, next month, next year. So we need to keep the capital with us, not to lose this 22K. Not to lose this money in any trade. This is only the paper loss. In the actual, our loss will be somewhere close to this. We will not allow the loss to go beyond this. Okay. So at the end, what happened? When the market was somewhere close to 15,800, like it was like when I closed, it was somewhere around 15,767. That this was right at the time, like an hour before the Reliance AGM started, because after 1 o'clock the market moves very wildly during the expiry days. So I don't want to take any risk because it is not one sword, it was two swords. So I had to close the positions which you have seen in the previous section. So we closed at 4,500 rupees profit, which translates to about little more than 2% because our initial capital blocked was 2,11,000 rupees. So on 2,11,000 rupees, if we say 4,500, go into the calculator. So 2,11,500. Okay. So 4,500 we made divided by 2,11,500. So we made about 2.12%, multiply by 100. So about 2.12%. So weekly 2% is good. So when we make weekly 2% consistently, we will be doubling our capital in 1 year. Many people do not know. They want to just turn rich overnight. The money is made gradually. It is not made in one day by buying a lottery ticket. The money is made gradually. So what we did, we are trying to make 2 to 3% every week. If you make 3%, you will make 150% returns, means your capital will double and then again there will be half more. So you have to keep on taking a small profits consistently. At the end it will become bigger. Okay. So right now you can see that small profits, what it has given me on a capital of about 2 lakhs, means it varies, it keeps on varying. Sometimes I use 3 lakhs, sometimes I use less, sometimes I use 40,000. On average it is 2 lakhs. Starting from December, we are at June end. So it is about 7 months now. Out of those 7 months, the initial period was trying to fix the strategy. You can see the risk reward varies too much. Initially, I was aiming for a risk reward of more than 1:1 because on a longer run, more than 1:1, it will give good profit. That is why means I was trying to keep 1:1, 1:3. You can see I have taken much more trades. Most of the trades were resulting in loss. Then at some point, sometime in February or March, I had zeroed on some good sweet spot on the Call Condor, and then I made all these rules. So based on these rules, if you see that we were consistent, there were losses because no strategy will give you 100% profit every time. There were losses, market moved very wildly sometime. I had to book the loss and come out because here you see it was a 30,000 loss, but we booked at about 15,000 and we came out. We never waited here because we waited for this. We never waited here. Here it was a mistake. I had to wait for this one, but I did not close it, so it went here. So we almost lost a lot of money here. This was one off event where we lost a lot of money there. That was on 15th April expiry, and the lot size was much higher. It was 6 lots. Whenever like it is luck or unlucky, whenever like I move anything more than 5 lots, I am getting huge loss. So I am just keeping myself to 4 lots. I'm not increasing the capital. So now you can see that consistently we are making money from February onwards. If you see only the February up to now, we have made somewhere about 94,700 rupees we have made. This is like excluding the brokerage. Here we are just seeing the profits. So brokerage will be about 5-6% of this, including the all charges. So if you take out that, so we would have made somewhere about 90,000 rupees on a capital of 2 lakhs only. You can see consistently the capital is around 2 lakhs. We have not gone more than that. Some places we have gone more, but consistently you can see it is about 2 lakhs. We made losses on the way. So you can see that if we add up all the losses, this is about 41k plus 10k, means we have lost about 51k something on the losses, but we have made far more money in profit. You can see consistently the winning streak is about 5 weeks, then we lose, 3 weeks, then we lose, again 4 weeks we lose, and now we are at 5 weeks. This week we have made a good profit. This is including some expiry trades, because this expiry trade is also part of my strategy, which I do. Like I'll complement the call condor outer strikes. I'll go and sell the MIS. The buy strike, I'll go and sell MIS. At the lower end, what I'll do, I'll go and sell a put where it is about 1.5 to 2 rupees put I'll sell, and I'll keep double the premium as the stop loss. So if the double the premium, the stop loss hits, I'll come out. So it is a simple short strangle on expiry with defined stop loss in the system. I don't keep it in the mind, because expiry, it moves like very wild. So if the stop loss is hit, I come out. So this week we have made about 4.5k. Expiry I made about 1k, so that is a different one. So we made 4.5k on this expiry, and the call condor is completely closed. I have only one position open right now. That is the ICICI Bank July 700 covered call. So this covered call has decayed a bit, but today it has increased in value. You can see the ICICI one was here. Yeah, today you can see the call has increased by about 5%, because ICICI Bank moved up. The market also, like today it is about 0.66% up. So the ICICI Bank also moved up. Reliance was down, so ICICI Bank moved up. So that is why we are having, from yesterday's one, we are having a lesser profit here, but this position will be monitored. On the call condor, you can see I am complementing the call condor with the MIS orders. You can see there is MIS order here. So both closed at about 5 paisa, both expired worthless, but in between like stop loss was hit and all those things happened. So together I made about 1,000 rupees here. So that 1,000 is what is reflected there in the call condor one. So this week was a roller coaster week, even for the conservative call condor. The conservative means how we did. Our expectation was only about 3.6% this week. We never had a bigger expectation of 5% or 6%. We just under 4% we were expecting, and our initial strike was good enough. Without any adjustment, this would have given us 7,700 rupees without even breaking a sweat. But as per the call condor rules, we adjusted, and adjustments are very important. When we adjust, we will book partial profits, and we take in additional credit or we pay additional debit based on which leg we are going to move. So we did couple of adjustments, and all those adjustments you would have seen in the previous sections. But the important thing is, at the end, we have closed it in a profit. This week was a profitable week, but it was a roller coaster week. The markets were too volatile, and today, if we would have left the call condor, we would have got about 12.5k profit. Means we were expecting 7k. After all the adjustments, we would have got more than 12k profit. The max loss was about 17.5k, but we would have got 12k. But since it was not one sword of expiry, it was two swords. The Reliance AGM was also there. How it moves, nobody knows. Because when Reliance moves up, it takes the Nifty along with that, and the Reliance moves down, all the Nifty stocks will also come down. So I don't want to take any risk on that. So I wanted my capital to be protected, and I protected my capital today, less profit is okay, no problem. We can earn it next week, and this is not a less profit. This is 2.5 to 2.12% a week in 5 days is a very good return. Many people don't understand that. I again stress, if you make this money consistently, you will double your capital within a year. If you put 1 lakh today, it will become 2 lakhs by end of the year, by end of the same month in the next year, end of the same day in the next year. So this is what will give the small profits will accumulate. So thank you for being with me for the entire call condor period. I know many of our group members has held this call condor with adjustments, without adjustments, and everybody has booked profit. I don't think anybody booked loss this week in the call condor. Even the last week, nobody has booked loss. Everybody has made money. And I am very happy that through this strategy, few people who were making consistent losses have turned into profit. Now they know how to do it, and the adjustment part is very simple, and it is very easy to adjust the calls. Handling a troubled call spread is very easy than handling a put spread. Many people were talking about iron condor or means put condor. What we are doing is a call condor. So people were asking about put condors where the reward is a little higher, but your initial capital is also little higher. But I am sticking to the call condor because handling troubled calls are very easy than handling troubled puts. When you do that, you will know. I don't have a live example, but I have already seen how the puts will increase in value. It will shoot up like anything because market going up by 10% is gradual. You will not get it in 1 day or 1 week like that. But market going down by 10%, it can come in within 2-3 days. We all have seen how the March corona crash was there. It can go, there is no bottom like that. It will go down like anything. But market shooting up like a rocket, it will take the same amount of shooting up. It will take at least 5 to 6 months. So the call premiums will not shoot up like mad, like how the put premiums will shoot up. Okay. So this you have to understand. These are market and option pricing dynamics. You have to understand the puts will always command a higher premium than call. And if the market goes down, the put premiums will shoot up like anything. But the call premiums, even the market shoots up, the call premium increases gradually. It will shoot up, but it is not in the same level of puts. So handling the calls will be relatively easier than handling the puts. That is why I am sticking to the call condor. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and congratulations to all the people who have held the call condor for this week and booked profits. I'll see you in the next week with the new call condor setup. Thank you very much. Bye. Signing off. This is JR from Nifty BN channel. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. To find us on Twitter, Telegram and Facebook, use the username NiftyBN. Also, we post some of our trades to the community tab. So do not forget to check that from time to time.